Windows 8 has several features that require you to use a Microsoft account to access them. In this video, I'll take you through the process of creating a Microsoft account step by step to make sure that when you try it, it'll be quick and easy. Let's take a closer look. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade a local account into a Microsoft account. So the example that I've used for the previous video where I created a local account is that I've created an account for a user called Ben Baker, who's a member of my team. We work for a small company where there's no centralized IT department and no servers, no Active Directory, and so we've relied on local accounts up until now. But local accounts have some limitations. For example, I can't download apps from the App Store, and I can't use SkyDrive, and I can't synchronize my user settings between multiple computers. Luckily, it's easy to upgrade my local account to a Microsoft account. We begin by going into the PC Settings app and looking at the Users section. To do that, I simply type Users in the Start screen. I then filter the search results by Settings and select the Users icon. Because I'm already logged on as a local account, I can easily upgrade this or switch it to a Microsoft account. Let's begin by clicking the button to switch to a Microsoft account. As with any change to a user account, I will need to confirm my password first, and then provide an email address. This needs to be an email address that is not already associated with a Microsoft account. And I'm going to use Ben's work email address. When I click Next, the app will scan Microsoft's database to make sure that this email address is not already being used for a Microsoft account. Now I can fill in the rest of the details. And then confirm your password. Then choose your country or region. If you've made a mistake with your password, or if the password is not considered long or complex enough, Windows 8 will prompt you to choose a more secure password. This password is fine. My country selection is good, so I can click Next. Now I provide a bit more security information. This information is held very safe by Microsoft, and it's used for providing security questions in case you forget your password and need to reset it. If you provide your mobile number, Microsoft can send you a text message to help you do a password reset, or if you provide a landline, then they will do an automated call to your number. Finally, provide an alternate email address that Microsoft can contact you in case you need to reset your password. Next, you can choose to opt in to some of Microsoft's promotional and customer services offerings. I'm going to uncheck those and click Next. Finally, I receive confirmation that my Microsoft account has been created, and the next time I log on, I use the email address as the login credential. So to test this, I can close the Users app, sign out, and now I can see that the username, instead of being Ben Baker that I typed in when I was logging in with a local account, is now my email address. Now that I have a Microsoft account, I can download apps from the App Store, I can use SkyDrive, and I can also synchronize my settings and documents between this computer and any other Windows 8 computer I use. So let's review. Creating a Microsoft account based on a local account is as easy as going into the PC Settings app, going to the Users section, and clicking the button to switch to a Microsoft account. All of the customizations and settings that you've done up until then with your local account will be preserved. If you don't already have a local account, but you're logging onto Windows 8 some other way, you can create a Microsoft account by visiting Microsoft's website. Search for Create a Microsoft Account in your favorite search engine for further instructions on doing that.